1910, a boy walked alone through the silent woods far away from home. By the riverbank where the cold winds blew, he heard a strange sound nobody knew. A hiss in the ground, a whisper below, a warning from a place no one could know. He stepped a little closer, smelled danger in the air, and felt in his young heart something wasn't fair. Was it only noise, or a hidden voice? Was it just a wind, or something deep within? Who heard the warning nobody could hear? Philip did, Philip did. Who faced the unknown without any fear? Philip did, Philip did. What saved the town that day? A boy who chose another way. One little sound, one little clue. A city survived because he knew. The earth is alive. His father looked and laughed, but we'll check just in case tonight. The experts came the very next day. The meter screamed right away. A broken gas line under the ground, a silent disaster waiting to be found. What was hiding there? A river of gas in the air. What could have happened then? Nobody might have seen tomorrow. Nobody could hear. Philip did, Philip did. Who faced the unknown without any fear? Philip did, Philip did. One tiny choice, one brave voice, one young boy who trusted his mind and left catastrophe behind. Would a spark have changed it all? Yes, the town could have fallen. Could one child make a difference? Yes, beyond all coincidence. Can a whisper save a life? Yes, if you listen right. Can a kid become a hero? Yes, and Philip showed us so. Listen closely when your heart speaks true. The smallest signs may guide you through. A boy heard a hiss beneath the sky and saved a town that could have died. What do heroes look like? Not always strong and tall. Sometimes they're just a child who hears the warning call.